Ito yung product na dapat meron ka every time na lumalabas ka. Para na rin maproteksyonan natin yung sarili natin against everything. This is face mask. But this is not your ordinary face mask. Bakit? Napakaganda ng idea ng gumawa nito. Kasi this face mask, meron na siyang SPF 50+. Ibig sabihin, para na tayong naka-sunscreen. Every time na naka-face mask tayo, our face or our skin is protected against sa mga UV rays from sunlight. Ang maganda pa dito, napakanipis lang ng tela. If you wear it, parang wala kang suot na face mask. Tapos napakaganda pa ng design. Tingnan natin. Ayan. Tapos guys, breathable na siya. Ayan. Breathable na siya kasi may mga butas. Tapos yung maganda pa dito is hanggang dito. So cover talaga yung mukha mo para hindi siya mapasukan ng anumang viruses, no? So, if you're really nasa labas ka araw-araw, you should have this, okay? You should have this. Available to sa iba't ibang kulay at iba't ibang packages. If you want to get the same product as mine, kasi marami na rin ganito na alam mo 'yon, hindi same sa basket and then sa sinusuot. So if you really wanted to have this item, please click that yellow basket for you to check out and for you to have the same product as mine. What are you waiting for? Napakaganda ng produktong ito. Alam ko, it's pricey, pero yung maganda dito, it's washable. Pwede mo tong i-wash after mong gamitin, tas isuot ulit. No? Instead of you buying ilang box ng tig 10 pesos or 1 to 2 pesos ng mga face mask. So, mas makakatipid tayo dito. So, what are you waiting for? Get this na and be protected. Bye!